Hello, how are you? 안녕하세요. Ni hao. Today's husband's cooking is ZENZAI, Japanese celebrate foods. In Japan, January 11 and January 20, we celebrate the day. We thanks for God, so we make special foods. I introduce the ZENZAI's ingredients: sugar, salt, red beans, mochi. These ingredients for one person. I make ZENZAI for one person. Let's cook. First, I wash the red beans. I washed 60 grams red beans, and then I boil these beans. Add the water, enough water, but not too much. I use a pressure cooker. Now pressure start. So 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, finish. About 5 minutes for open. This is red beans essence. Some people use this one, but some people throw away this essence because red beans essence is very strong. Some people use this essence for diet and detox, but some sensitive people, if people drink this essence, people get stomach ache. So please check the detail and choose the way. In my case, when I cook the rice, I use this water for rice. So then I can cook red rice. Now I boil again. Usually use the water for 3 times, 4 times. 3 times, 4 times for red beans. this time, second time, 10 minutes pressure. 10 minutes. In this waiting time, I cook the mochi. Okay. Open. Red bean is very soft. Now we can add the sugar. Now I use the cinnamon. Some people don't like bean smell, but if add the some cinnamon, smell and taste, it will be sweet. Sugar to taste. And mochi. Japanese radish pickles.
気合いは